Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited. Not really, but I'm excited to be filming again. I haven't filmed. What the fuck is up with my hair? I haven't filmed in a while. I got a tattoo. Well, I got a few the other day. I got some tattoos the other day. As you can see, I've got one right here. It's still healing. It's really red, and it's because it's new. I don't want it scratching up against my t-shirt. I put one on for like 5 minutes. I was like, I can't wear this because it was starting to hurt my arm. So here I just have it out. But today I'm just going to talk to you guys about some things that have happened. But I'm going to do it in a get ready style, so I'm just going to do my makeup and talk to you guys about it. I also asked you guys on Instagram to send me some questions about things you want me to talk about so I can kind of get you up to speed. Okay, so I'm probably going to start off with the eyes today. I haven't used this palette in a while. And I feel like, I don't know, I just haven't used this palette in such a fucking long time, and it's just been sitting in my drawer ever since I did a review on it, like about a year ago or something, and it's the Anastasia Subculture palette. I think I just haven't used it because of what I thought in that one video, but I just really want to use it today, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do my eyes first. But let's just get started on what I wanted to talk about. A lot of my viewers came from my comparison video of the Too Faced Just Peachy Sweet Peach and White Peach palette comparison video, and it's one of my most viewed videos ever. All the videos since that video was posted, technically 8 months ago, were deleted. And I don't really think anyone noticed because I don't expect people to keep tabs on my channel and be like, oh my god, this is what Alex's activity was at 4:48 a.m. on a Saturday. Like, I don't expect people to like keep tabs on my channel. But basically this person that I was pretty close with deleted my YouTube videos, and it hurts the most because I told them ever since 8 months ago I've been really happy with what I've posted, and I've just been in love with creating. I've been more creative since that point, and they knew that full well, and they went and deleted all my videos because they believed something that was untrue. And it hurts me. What hurts me the most is the fact that I was so close. I don't want to say so close, but I was getting close to being monetized and getting 1,000 subscribers. I don't want everyone to think, oh, you're just about the views and the money, and it's like, no, I'm not, but it's nice to have a second income doing what you love, and just the fact that this person went and destroyed that for me fucking really hurts. I'm gonna take this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's their Studio Pro No. 5 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Roxy right here. It really hurts because I worked so hard to put up videos every single week. The fact that I just worked so damn hard, and the person who deleted all these videos knew I worked hard, knew I had to cancel plans with people to put videos up because I was excited doing this. Basically what I'm trying to say is I'm super fucking upset, but the only thing that I can do to get through this is continuing to make new content. Yes, those videos will be gone, and I probably won't re-upload them because not only will people unsubscribe from my channel, the videos at this point are just outdated because I can't upload something from January and be like, oh, I'm just trying the Maybelline Super Stay now, because people will be like, where is this coming from, you know? Like, that is just one of the things that pisses me off. So as you can probably see what I was doing, I was blending Roxy into the crease, but now I'm taking the shade Dawn, and I'm just going to kind of use that to blend out this a little bit more. Like, unless you guys want me to upload certain videos again, then I will. I've just uploaded a few that I think are really important to my channel. I might upload them in the future, but for now I'm just going to continue making new content and do what I usually do because that's what will make me happier, and that's what will get my mind off of this. I just want to hit the ground running and continue making more stuff after this whole fucking shit show. I want to move on because it's just going to bring me down in this video. I'm so excited that I got this tattoo. I'm just gonna show it to you guys now. I actually did get 3 tattoos, so in total I have 4. But I'm just gonna show you guys this one now. But this is the one tattoo that I got. It's Aquaria! And I feel like people want me to give an explanation of why I got this tattoo. I like Aquaria. That's my explanation. Now, fuck off. Now I think I want to go in with the shade Mercury, which is like this taupe grayish color, and I'm just gonna blend this in a little bit as well. I posted a prom makeup look back in May and I had red hair. Here's a picture of like the thumbnail, and someone asked me, they're like, what hair dye did you use when you dyed your hair that color? And it's a funny story. So I bleached my hair. I don't usually bleach my hair. That's like the first time I've ever done it, and I did it myself, which was a big mistake. Please don't ever do that. But basically I bleached my hair by myself, and I wasn't like, I didn't know that you had to bleach it more than once to get it like a pale white. So I bought this box dye. I think it was from Splat. And I bleached my hair with their bleach kit, and then I just went ahead and I dyed it the purple color, like the Splat color that came with the kit, and none of the colors stayed in my hair, like, at all. So what I had to do is I went and I asked my cousin, I was just like, what hair dye should I buy? And she told me punky color. So I went out and bought it. Well, I ordered it on Amazon, and it got to my house maybe 2-3 days later. And I put it in my hair. I was really excited. And I dyed my hair. I got in the shower. And then I got out. And I noticed that my hair was red. And I was like, I think I did something wrong. But after that, I did dye it red again. But I used a color from Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to say it, but I got a dye from them, and it was supposed to be a purple, red, and orange ombre, but they only give you enough to like do one side of your head. Like, you need 2 boxes in order to do your entire head, and that's for someone who's got shoulder length hair. So I was really confused, and I just mixed them all together and I put it in my hair, and my hair was like vibrant red again. But then I just dyed my hair black because I was like, I don't have the effort to deal with this. So now I'm actually going to go into the shade All Star right here, which is this red, and I'm going to blend this on the outer corner again. This reminds me of like a period color. What else has happened in my life? At my job, I don't want to say I got a promotion, but I got a new position. I'm working with cosmetics. I'm so excited. I did co-op doing the job that I am now. I did co-op in school, and I really enjoyed it. And when my manager told me, oh, we've got an opening, like, you should apply, I did, and your girl got the job. So I was excited, and I still am. So for this, I think I'm done. I don't really want to go much deeper. I'm going to go in with the shade Adorn right here, which is just like this copper brown. What the fuck is happening with my finger? I'm just going to pat this on. Kind of going back to the whole like YouTube thing, like me doing new videos and stuff. What I think I'm going to do is, if I've done a video in the past that I liked, I'm going to redo it, because I know I did my favorite lip glosses, but I'm just going to do my favorite nude lips, because realistically, I don't have many glosses, and I like more than just glosses, especially now I've been gravitating more towards lipsticks and stuff, so I think I'm going to do that more. So now we're just going to go into the face makeup. To prime it, Essence came out with a new primer spray, and I'm excited. I'm going to go in with the Essence Prime Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray, and this has coconut water in it. I already know I don't like the smell. Like, it is the worst smelling spray I've ever smelled. I hate it. Ooh. Oh god, it stinks really bad. So for my foundation today, I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Foundation. Oh my god, okay, by the way, Smashbox just released their new foundation shades on the Sephora app. So if you are like me and you're pale and you want to pick up the new Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, because y'all know I love it, it's on the Sephora app. I'm going to pick it up when I get paid. Even though I have one, if like I have that foundation, if you've watched my videos, you've seen that it's like a tad too dark. Look at my face. It's like half white, half like red. Yeah, but I really like that foundation, and the fact that they came out with more shades to accommodate, we stan, honestly. And that foundation, I would have to say, is one of my favorites. I don't think it's too heavy, and it's good for every single season. It doesn't dry me out. It doesn't make me look too oily or anything like that. It just makes me look really, really good. And that's what I like. It's gonna be like really stupid to say, but one thing that really annoys me is when people try so hard to be pale. Oh fuck, what's it called? Jaclyn Hill, she came out with a video. Pretty much everyone's seen it, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. She came out with a video and she's just like, I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial for people who have pale skin, and it's like, you don't have anywhere near pale skin. Like, I don't know if people just think at this point that NW20 is considered pale. Like, girl, have you even tried? Like, this would look white on Jaclyn Hill. I can guarantee you it would look white on her. And I just hate that. And I know I sound like such a hypocrite right now, because you can see my face is like lighter than my neck, but I don't know what's going on. I look like the Joker. This naturally is my shade, but I actually think I got a tan because I went to the beach a few days ago. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the ColourPop No Filter in the shade Fair number 2. I think that ColourPop should come out with a better shade comparison chart, because there have been times when, who was it? I had a friend of mine, she asked me, like, I told her this is my favorite concealer, and she's just like, what shade do you think I would be? And I was just like, not this one, because I know you're deeper skinned than me, and it would look too much on her skin. So I tried to recommend another color for her, but the thing is, ColourPop doesn't have any good reference photos. Like, for me, for the foundation, like, this foundation matches me just fine, like, when I set it with powder and apply everything on it and whatever. They tried to match me. I said, oh my god, I look like a fucking chimpanzee right now. They had the shade chart, and it says, if you're 110 porcelain in the Maybelline Fit Me, you're gonna be 130 in the ColourPop foundation. I'm like, bitch, like, what the fuck? 130 is too deep. Like, do you even look at your own shade range? Like, I just was so confused. And then I went and looked at swatches of 130 compared to this one. Is it 130? Or is it 30? I don't even know what I'm saying. They recommended me a shade that was like way too dark. And then when I went and I looked up the swatches online, I was like, I like ColourPop a lot, but the way that they do things at their company, like, pisses me off. And, like, it's really unprofessional sometimes. Because, like I said, I plan on making an entire video about this. But there's been a billion... Holy fuck, shut up. There's been a billion times when I've ordered from them and they've either not sent me something or sent me the wrong thing, and I email them and I'm like, hey, like, can you either send me what I ordered or, like, do something for me? And, like, 90% of the time they're like, hey, go fuck yourself, here's a coupon. And it's like, so you're gonna make me pay shipping again because you fucked up on an order and didn't send me something. Like, for me, it just seems really weird how every single time that I've ordered from them, they've pretty much forgot one thing and they make me pay for it. Like I'm saying, it's really unprofessional and it bothers me. And it sucks because I really like ColourPop products, but I just hate having to deal with that stuff all the time. Like, just get it right the first time. And I feel like that's why their return policy is so shit. The fact that they are always like, oh yeah, we try to keep everything cheap for our customers so we don't take refunds and whatever. And it's just like, okay, but replace my product because you fucking didn't include it and you're making me pay for it. Like, I don't, what the fuck. So I'm going to go with the Smashbox primer water. I'm just going to wet my face so I can get ready for my highlight. I'm going to try to use this highlight brush right here. It's from Wet n Wild. It's their Wet n Wild P75. I've tried it once and I wasn't a fan of it, but I'm going to try it again today. See if I like it. I don't know. I don't really know if I like this. I find it gives me more of like, no, I'm just gonna even it out and put a little stripe on this side. But like, I don't like this. Like, where there's like a little bit of a highlight, but hello. This is the BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush from the Rosé Romance collection. Like, do better, Wet n Wild. Like, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. But now that I'm trying to get back up on my feet from the whole deletion thing, if you have any recommendations of videos you either want to see or anything like that, please let me know. I'm always open to hearing your ideas, even if you message me and you're like, hey, I want to see you do a porno. I'll be like, okay. Just kidding. But I'm really open to hearing everyone's ideas. I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply some mascara. But I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. Also, I want to apologize if this video is a little bit jumbled up. I get really confused when I talk about things that are really important to me. That makes me sound stupid. I get confused when I talk about things. Alright, so there's the eyes. I need to powder my chin because every time I put foundation here, it like sticks and I hate the feeling. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit and I'm going to grab a lip color. Sure Thing from the Too Faced Just Peachy collection because I really like this color. Is it this one I wanted to use? I don't know. It wasn't. I wanted to use Sunday Funday. See, I'm stupid. This one's okay. See, I still think that this one is okay. I think it's a really pretty nude. And that's why I like it. I'm just going to take my hair down even though it's like wet. You're probably bored of watching me sit here and talk to you guys about nothing. But I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and I'll see you in my next video.